Imagine this. It's December 31st, 2025, and you're holding a glass of champagne, celebrating your first $1 million in the bank. Sounds like a dream. What if I told you that this could be your reality? In today's video, I'm going to share a step-by-step blueprint on how to set yourself up to become a millionaire in 2025. No gimmicks, no fluff, just actionable strategies that work. If you're serious about transforming your financial future, stick around, because every minute of this video counts. Let's dive in. Step 1. Master the skill of problem solving. Becoming a millionaire isn't about luck. It's about solving problems at scale. Identify a niche where people face real challenges and learn the skills needed to offer solutions. For instance, businesses are always looking for ways to optimize their operations. If you can master high-demand skills like digital marketing, coding, or financial consulting, you're already halfway there. Focus on building your expertise in a single field and become the go-to person for that solution. Step 2. Create multiple income streams. Relying on just one source of income is a risky game. In 2025, diversification is the key to financial success. Start by identifying passive income opportunities like affiliate marketing, dividend stocks, or rental properties. Simultaneously, work on creating active income streams through freelancing or entrepreneurship. The magic happens when you've got both working for you. Remember, millionaires don't just work hard, they make their money work for them. Step 3. Build a personal brand online. In today's digital-first world, your personal brand can be a powerful asset. Whether it's through social media, a YouTube channel, or a blog, establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Share valuable insights, engage with your audience, and offer services or products that solve their problems. Your personal brand will not only earn you credibility, but also open doors to collaborations, sponsorships, and new income opportunities. Step 4. Invest wisely and consistently. Millionaires don't just save money, they invest it. Start by setting aside a portion of your income every month and putting it into high-growth assets. Look into index funds, cryptocurrencies, or real estate, depending on your risk tolerance. The key is to be consistent. By 2025, compound growth could do wonders for your portfolio. Pro tip: educate yourself about the investment opportunities that align with your long-term goals. Step 5. Network like your life depends on it. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with people who are already successful or share your drive. Attend industry events, join online forums, and connect with mentors who can guide you. Networking isn't just about gaining opportunities. It's about learning from others' experiences and avoiding pitfalls. Step 6. Stay consistent and adaptable. The journey to becoming a millionaire isn't a straight path. Challenges will come, but consistency is what sets successful people apart. Stick to your goals, track your progress, and adapt when necessary. The world is changing rapidly, and the ability to pivot your strategy can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips to build your dream life. Let me know in the comments which step you're going to start with today. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. Let's make 2025 the year you become a millionaire. See you in the next video.